How to go live on Facebook. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can go live on Facebook. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now search for the Facebook application and look for updates. If you see any update option available, click on the update option to update your app. If not, go back to your home page and open the Facebook app. On Facebook, make sure you are logged in to your account. After opening Facebook, you will land to your home page. On your home page, tap on What's on your mind at the very top. Now swipe up the panel that's at the bottom. Click on Live Video, and just like that, your live video will pop up. You can set up different kind of settings from the top panel. You can also set up the visibility of your audience. You can select public, friends, or specific friends. Once that's done, then click on Go Live, and now you will be live on Facebook. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.